video, we're going to take a look at email accounts. So to get to email accounts, you just hit the setup menu and then email accounts in the left hand, organisation setup. Email accounts is where you'd attach one of your email accounts to your ERSA account. This can be used throughout your tools and where you can associate where you want email sending to happen from. So if we go into my MPS tool, for example, have a look in email capture, we can pick which connection we want. So we might want Andy's email, or we might want this email account called SendGrid. So this is really cool because you can customize each tool where the emails are coming from. So you might send it from one of your generic company email addresses, or you might go for a more specific team member. So let's just jump back into email accounts here. So we can see the two email accounts. If we need to edit them, we can just click on the row to get the information up and look to save it. Let's just create a new account now. So say we want to attach Bob Smith's email. So you'd pop in the host for Bob Smith's email. So that's typically something like this. And you'd add the port number. We want the sender to be Bob Smith. So you just type in their name here. You'd also add Bob's email into the username. Or if your email account system uses other usernames, you might want to pop that. And you'd add the password for the account as well. Let's just pop in smith@example.com and pop in the password. So the thing about these passwords here is we do encrypt all the passwords in our database and we never re-show them to any users, including yourself. That just keeps them nice and safe. You'll be able to find all of this information from your email services as well, whether that's a group email or an individual's email. And once you're happy with this information, just hit save and you'll see it pop into your list. So the next process is you want to be hitting test connection to see if you've added the settings correctly and everything, and all the options on your email services are set up correctly as well. So let's hit test connection. We can see that we've sent an email, and if it's successful, an email will go to your user account email, and it'll look something a bit like this. It will just come from ERSA, and it will say, if you're receiving this email, your connection is set up correctly. However, if there's something wrong, you may get an error back, and if that happens, you just want to go into your settings, make sure they're all exactly correct, and hit save. This can be a bit of some people might find this a bit more challenging to set up if you're not used to how email accounts work. So if you've got an IT guy, they're probably worth approaching to see if they can help you set it up. If not, just feel free to give me an email and I can try and help you as well. My email is just andy@ersa.io. Cool. So once you've got that set up, you'll be able to associate what tools you want to associate the email with. So we maybe want to send MPS emails from Bob Smith's account now. So we'll just pop that in.